Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back again to Majid Fragrance channel for reviewing and describing fragrances. Today is another episode about the beautiful and the powerful brand Emmanuelle Jane Perfumes and Colognes. If you miss the first, the second, also the third episode from this house, I will let for you the links in the description. You need to watch them to have an idea about this brand. If you are new in this channel, welcome my friends. Subscribe, hit the notification button to get always our news. And also, if you are returning to watch the video, I hope to subscribe to get reach the 50% of subscribers in this channel. Emmanuelle Jane Perfumes and Colognes. This brand belongs to the French country. This brand they made good fragrances, and also they made perfect clones for a lot of niche and designer fragrances. There is a lot of collections in this house like Diamond, Prestige, Royal, the VIP that I talked about them in the previous episodes. So today, our subject today is designed only for niche fragrances. I will do, and I will give for you the perfect clones of these niche fragrances. Piège by Emmanuelle Jane. This fragrance is a perfect clone of Pegasus from Parfum de Marly. This one is an ambery fougere fragrances designed for men. The scent can use it in the cool seasons like spring, fall and winter. You can use it in the day or in the night. This scent is characterized by the note of almond. The almond here is obvious from the opening till the dry down. The opening is a little bit citrusy because it contains bergamot mixed with some spices like cumin. There is lavender with jasmine. This blend will stick with you till the dry down, where we have vanilla with sandalwood and amber. Piège by Emmanuelle Jane is long-lasting to eternal regarding longevity, and the sillage is very strong. If you love Elixir Exclusive from Parfum de Marly, this niche house and high price, it's about $2080, and you don't find enough money to get it, you can get Elixir Exclusive by Emmanuelle Jane. This one is very close to it. It's a perfect clone. It's an ambery fragrance for women. This scent can be used in all seasons, in the days or in the night. Characterized also by the lychee note exists in the top notes. This lychee gonna stick with you till the dry down. There is also pear, bergamot. In the middle note we have rose mixed with agar wood and encens. A beautiful blend. Link between the opening and the base that contains vanilla with amber and woody notes. Elixir Exclusive is an eternal fragrance regarding the longevity. The sillage is from strong to enormous. Kiku by Emmanuelle Jane. This fragrance is a clone of Kirky by Tiziana Terenzi. This fragrance is a cheaper, fruity fragrance for both women and men. This scent can use it in all seasons. It's a fruity scent. If you love fruits, you can get Kiku. There is peach, passion fruit, pear, raspberry, cassis. There is also lily of the valley in the middle. The base contains musk with vanilla, sandalwood, patchouli and heliotrope. This is a perfect fruity fragrance. The longevity is eternal. The sillage is enormous. There is also another beautiful alternative or clone of Kirky from Tiziana Terenzi that called Cedre Blue from geparlys. I talked about it before. You can find the link in the description of the full review. Supreme by Emmanuelle Jane. This fragrance is a dupe of Supreme Bouquet by the house of Yves Saint Laurent. The scent is ambery floral, designed for unisex. The scent can be used in all seasons, but I don't recommend it a lot to use it in summer. This one open with fruits. There is pear, there is pink pepper also, The middle notes contain jasmine, tuberose, ylang ylang, and the base contain musk with patchouli and amber. Supreme from Emmanuelle Jane is a high performance fragrance, and it's rated as high quality regarding its ingredient. Fruity, sweet, tuberose, stick with you for a long time until it's dry on animalic, musky, and patchouli notes. Bois by Emmanuelle Jane. This one is an alternative of Bois d'Argent from Christian Dior. Here, if you love woody scent, just buy Bois. This scent is woody chipper designed for women and men. This one also can be used in all seasons. Here you will get a long-lasting fragrance. Will gonna stick with you for a long time. The sillage, yes, it's not perfect, but the longevity is good. Here you're gonna enjoy the woody scent. Here you have iris from the opening to the dry down. There is juniper berries, cypress. There is myrrh, patchouli, and the beautiful thing here, it's a sweet fragrance because it contains honey mixed with vanilla. There is a leather in the base, give some precious to this scent. There is amber, woody notes. Really, it's a beautiful scent. If you love Bois d'Argent from Christian Dior, this one is a good clone. There is also another clone that's called Saint Honoré from the house of geparlys. I will let for you the link in the description if you want to know more about it. Red X3 by Emmanuelle Jane. This fragrance is a clone of Baccarat Rouge, the X3 of Eau de Parfum. The scent is designed for women and men. If you love ambery floral fragrances, this one is for you. You're gonna enjoy it. This one, when you spray from it, it's gonna stick with you for a long time, like a bubble around you. There is almond, saffron, jasmine, cedre, ambergris, musk, woody notes. Really, it's a beautiful fragrance from Emmanuelle Jane. It's also an eternal fragrance for longevity, and the sillage is very strong. If you love Baccarat Rouge, I recommend you to watch a video I made it before for the top clones of this fragrance. You can find it in the description below. Only Jane. This fragrance is a clone of Only from Mimo Paris. If you love fruity and floral fragrances for women, this one is for you. The scent is a perfect day scent for summer and spring. You can enjoy the scent from the opening to the dry down. There is mint, artemisia, bergamot. There is also iris, jasmine, spices, cedar, musk. Really, it's a beautiful fragrance. Yes, it's true. It's not powerful. It's moderate on the longevity, the sillage, but the scent is perfect and it's very close to Only by Mimo from Paris. Thank you, my lovers, for watching this episode. This one was the fourth one about the top clones from the house of Emmanuelle Jane. Today, I give you only clones of niche fragrances. So if you have any experiences about these fragrances, tell us in comments. And also, if you miss the 3 episodes previous, this one, you can find them all in the description below. See you in the next video. Thank you.